Hey everybody, Dr. Ford here in the Zoom booth, and I'm Zoom's education advocate. We're here to talk about Zoom video management and how it works seamlessly with Logitech devices, like the ones I have around me in the room. This is going to help you reach higher education learners everywhere. And I am so excited to share with you a new piece of the Zoom puzzle. And that piece is Zoom video management. What that means is that we have the ability to record content and make that content available afterwards for students. Now, there are a lot of ways to do it, but one of the most powerful is through this amazing Logitech gear that I have right here with me. In fact, if you put Logitech gear in your higher ed classroom, you'll be able to seamlessly automate the start, the stop, and the publishing of that content. It's really important when you walk into the classroom that you have high quality audio and video equipment so that you can capture everything that's happening. So we start with the Logi Streamline kit that allows us to find those cameras and move them around the space. Next, we have the Logi Rally bar. Very important that the microphone and the speakers that are in there, again, you're able to hear everything and you're able to be captured as you're working through your process. The Logi Rally Board 65 is also integral here because we want to be able to give notes. We want to be able to do whiteboards. We want to be able to have student participation in that process. All of those things capture the things that are happening in the classroom, and that is flowed seamlessly into the Zoom video management portal. That's where students have the ability to get a transcript. They have the ability to do translations. They have the ability to have comments on the content, and maybe even some interactive polls and quizzes. And you teachers who are out there watching this, don't worry, you're gonna know who watched what, how much of it they watched, and how many times they interacted with that video. So I think we can all agree that learning doesn't just happen in the classroom, right? It happens at home too. But we have to empower educators to be able to work and record content when they want to, when they're at home maybe. So using tools from Logi like the webcam, the Logi webcam, the Logi Reach camera, and their streaming light, we've basically created an amazing high quality studio right wherever they are. Now, on the other end of that, when students watch the content, they're watching it via the Zoom management portal. And that Zoom management portal has indexed everything leveraging AI so that we truly have a personalized learning experience. Zoom video management complements the simplicity and workflows of Logitech tools. With the LTI integration, Zoom video management plugs directly into where teachers and students already live. That's the learning management system. It gives those faculty members insights as to how students are consuming and interacting with that video, all while doing a seamless workflow, which means they don't have to upload videos manually. It happens for them automatically. Paired with Logitech, these opportunities make this experience so much easier for faculty to capture and provide video for their learners. Thus, they have their time freed up to do what they do best, and that's teach. It's not be technologist. It makes it a conduit for teaching and learning. At Zoom, we are so proud to be partnered with Logitech to make learning more connected, innovative, and accessible for learners regardless of where they are, in the classroom or at home.